Hello everyone. If you want to know how you can enable TPM 2.0 on your computer so you can play the new games like Call of Duty Black Ops 7 or Battlefield 6, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to enable Trusted Platform Module 2.0 on your computer. So first off, you'll need to go to your BIOS. So I'm going to show you two methods on how you can go to your BIOS. The first one is you're going to open up the start menu and you're going to click onto this restart button while holding the left shift key on your keyboard. And the second method is you'll open up the Windows update and then you're going to click onto advanced options here. You're going to click onto recovery. You're going to click on restart now right next to advanced startup. And once you're here, you're going to go into troubleshoot, go into advanced options, and then you're going to go into UEFI firmware settings. Click restart on here. After that, you're going to be into your BIOS. So here you're going to go into your settings menu and then you're going to go into MISC. And after you're into MISC, then you're going to make sure that Intel Platform Trusted Technology PTT is enabled or AMD Trusted Platform Module is enabled. So just enable both of those settings. And once you do that, you can just close up the BIOS menu by pressing F10 on your keyboard and pressing enter. And now you can go ahead and play your games, Battlefield 6 or Black Ops 7, and you won't get that Trusted Platform Module error anymore. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video.